My name is Americo Scotti. I'm from Brazil. I am a professor in welding technology. I work mostly in research at PTC. I fell in love in welding technology because bad experience that I had in school. Then I decided that I should learn more. Welding is fascinating because otherwise we would not have a civilization. If you see, everything is welded in the world. And we needed to weld with safety and in good quality, in good appearance.
Vestido de seda, o seu manequim também me deixou.
I have to admit that I miss Brazilian barbecue. It's a long barbecue. It's 8-10 hours with friends or family, and we eat, we drink, and we play songs, and we dance sometimes. It's a very fun time that I can spare there.